Welcome to our Best 5 Volumizer product showcase. Are you tired of struggling to achieve the perfect volume for your hair? Look no further. Our team has handpicked the top 5 volumizers on Amazon just for you. These hair tools will give you that coveted full and bouncy look without the hassle. From versatile brush stylers to powerful blow dryers, we have it all. Let's dive in and see which volumizer is perfect for your hair type and styling needs. Nicebay Hair Dryer Brush and Volumizer. This lightweight and compact hair tool is perfect for travel or on-the-go styling. Its unique oval brush design helps create volume and smooth hair, while its ceramic technology adds shine and CONAIR Infinity Pro 2-in-1 Styler. This hair tool comes with 2 brush attachments for versatile styling. Its ion generator helps reduce frizz and static, while its ceramic technology adds shine to your hair. Head One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. This hair dryer and volumizer combo has 3 heat and speed settings, allowing for customizable styling. It also has tourmaline ceramic technology to reduce frizz and add shine to your hair. Hot Tools Professional 24K Gold One-Step Dryer Volumizer. With its 24K gold styling surface, this hair tool delivers even heat distribution for fast and consistent styling. Its unique oval brush design helps create volume and smooth hair at the same time. REVLON One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. This popular hair tool is perfect for those who want to achieve salon-worthy hair at home. It combines the power of a dryer and the volume of a styler to give you smooth and voluminous hair.